Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to guide you through step-by-step process on how to log in Jaguar Finance. First step is to open your browser. After opening your browser, click on the search bar and type in Jaguar Finance. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo, or you can also find it as this link. Click on it. This is the homepage of Jaguar Finance website. On the top right corner, you can see sign in option. Click on it. Now you will need your username and your password to log in. So type in your username. Now type in your password. If you want the browser to save your information, you can click on this box and mark it as checked, or you can leave it as it was. If you have forgot your username or your password, you can click on this link and recover it. And if you don't have an account yet, you can click on sign up now and create a new account. Now click on sign in. Following this simple and easy step, you are now able to log in Jaguar Finance. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below. Thank you.